Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting ready for my 19th birthday. I just got out of the shower per usual. It's literally how I start like every single one of my videos. Say hi. He's a diva. But anyway, I'm gonna go blow dry my hair really quick. Save you guys some time, won't make you watch because nobody cares. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. My hair is all nice and blow dried. I'm gonna curl it later. It's dried for the most part, but I don't really care. The rest is gonna air dry. Oh, so if y'all see anything weird in my teeth, I just put in teeth whitening strips. It's been a second since I whitened my teeth, and I drink coffee every day, so you can kind of tell, but it's okay. I got my free birthday reward from Sephora. I finally got myself a Summer Fridays. Let me tell y'all, I finally get the hype. I do. I kind of just thought it was gonna be one of those overrated things. No, she's amazing. Love it. I don't think I'm gonna really put on face makeup just because I don't want to deal with taking it off later. I think what I'm gonna do though is I think I'm gonna put on concealer because I don't want my eye bags playing peekaboo. I put on eye cream earlier. I hope that it does something because if not, this concealer is gonna cake up and look like absolute dog shit. I don't know if this is my shade either. It's also probably expired. I want my cheeks to get red. Obviously your face gets red when it's hot out. This happened to me at graduation actually. It was hot as balls in my school and I put on concealer for grad. Let me just throw a picture up on the screen. Yeah, so that's what I looked like. I mean, it wasn't that bad, and obviously it like settled down once it got a little cooler. But in all the pictures, it looks like that. Stop, do you see that? Like nothing I do fixes it, and it's so irritating. I don't know why. I've tried powder. Powder makes it worse, actually. Let me put some tinted moisturizer on top of it. Hopefully that fixes it. Please don't make me look chopped. So today actually isn't my birthday. I'm filming this on August 15th. My birthday is actually tomorrow, but I'm gonna be camping all weekend. So we're going out to the club tonight and we're gonna celebrate it there because obviously the club opens late. It's gonna be midnight when we're there, so that will be fun.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
I'm not gonna see any of my family tomorrow, which kind of sucks. But we're celebrating today, so I guess it's all right. And then I'll see them in a couple days. Okay, I think that helped because obviously the moisturizer is a moisturizer. All right, let's go in with my eyebrows. I'm just gonna brush them through first. I usually just fill in the front of it. Oh my goodness gracious, I need to fix my posture. August is halfway done and I am already grieving summer. I know the summer nostalgia this year is gonna go absolutely crazy. This summer was so good. It was honestly everything. Honestly, actually, it was better than I was expecting. And I think it's because I didn't have high hopes for it. I think my battery's gonna die. Okay, I was right, my camera died, so that's perfect. So I went and got some ice cream and took an intermission, and my teeth whitening strips are off now. Yeah, so anyway, let's continue. I finished my eyebrows as well. So now I just need to do eyeshadow. I forgot to do this before I left. I'm just gonna put on a little more face product and I'm gonna set it with setting spray. I got this new one I'm excited to use. I usually use like the matte finish one, but I don't really know. Oh, hi guys. I don't really know what the difference between them is. I guess we'll find out. Okay, I think my face makeup is staying on better. Like it was definitely peeling and I noticed in the car. I kind of just like wiped it off and it seems to be doing okay for now. And also like if needed, I can just take it off. It's really not that big of a deal. Ginger palette. I'm gonna try to make this real quick. We're gonna go in with this one. All right, we're gonna dab it a little. Okay, that's literally like pretty much all I put on and then I just blend it out through on my eyelid. Like I am not a makeup artist. I don't know how to do shit. The only thing I'm really good at is eyeliner, but I've been doing eyeliner pretty much since like the Stone Age, so that's why. I used to try to be an eyeshadow warrior. I kind of look like I got clocked in the face though. Never came out good. I would literally try to do colors like purple and red. See that? It's just like a little shadow. And then it doesn't even matter because the glitter is gonna cover it all anyway. me just do the other eye real quick. Now we're gonna go in with, wait, let me flex on y'all real quick. I still got ring light. Yeah, I do. We're gonna go in with her. All right, my eyeshadow's all done. Just very simple, like I said. Oh wait, this is the eyeliner I use. If any of you guys were wondering, I'm sure none of you actually care at all, but if you were, this is it. She's amazing, my go-to. Anything L'Oreal is pretty good. I think also this little triangle at the end has a purpose. I thought it was just for a cool little design, but actually it's so you can trace your eyeliner. So if you're a beginner and don't know what the f to do or how to do it, definitely grab yourself one of these, because look, it even has like the little hole in the middle that you can trace. I think I actually tried it once and it came out awful. All right, let's see. I don't know if I can do this and record at the same time. I really want to try for you guys, but I usually don't. And that's for a good reason. I'll be right back in a second. Voila. Okay, I'm back and my eyeliner is all done. I am glad that I shut off the camera because I actually had the lock in and I was not having a good time. Today was definitely a bad eyeliner day. Obviously it came out good, but it took me a second, I'm not gonna lie. Now I'm gonna go in with my Squidward eyelash curler and curl my lashes, and then I am done after lip gloss. And then I'm gonna go eat tacos and ice cream. I literally have a bottomless stomach when it comes to tacos and ice cream. Like I could probably eat 20 tacos in one sitting. Okay, not actually, probably not 20, but like, you know, I could eat a lot. And then ice cream I could eat forever. Literally no end. Like just, I could never get full from ice cream. This mascara is so good. I've seen it on TikTok for years, the push-up false lash one, but anytime I went to go buy it off of Amazon, it was sold out. And honestly, I understand why now. The false lashing effect is definitely working. Like, hello? I didn't know I had all that. It says I have 1 minute worth of video footage left, so I'll be right back when I'm done mascara because I'm not talking and this is a waste of my storage.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
This is the final reveal. Ooh, little 360. My hair is all nice and curled too. But yeah, that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like these type of videos. I'll make sure to keep them up. And I will see you guys next time.